prosecutor, its duty is an impartial, impartial, impartial and neutral role neutral, neutral दोनों साइड से बैलेंस, न्यूट्रल NEUTRAL, neutral, impartial and neutral role and help in the prosecution of all who have been charge sheeted by who have been charge sheeted by prosecution, who have been charge sheeted by the police, yes, he or she expected to place before the court all evidences in his or her prosecution. Clear, Guntas? Okay. First off, next as a judge. Prosecutor, clear? Any question related with the prosecutor? It presents as a case from the side of the government, but in a case in that state in which as a person not able to afford as a lawyer, under such circumstances, government has given, court has given as a public prosecutor which defend the accused also. So both of the work. Any questions? Prosecution present जो case present किया जाता है, ठीक है? Clear? Now the fifth element of a fair trial is a judge. The judge hears all the witnesses and examine evidences presented by the prosecutor and the defense lawyer. Judge hears, HEARS. Judge hears all the witnesses and evidences presented by the prosecutor and the defense lawyer. डिफेंस जो एक्यूज को प्रोटेक्ट कर रहा है, एक्यूज ने अपने लिए हायर किया है ना जो लॉयर, वो डिफेंस लॉयर है, वो डिफेंड करेगा उसे किसके अगेंस्ट? पब्लिक प्रोसिक्यूटर. Public prosecutor try to convince the court all those articles which are marked under the charge sheet, these are violated by the accused. ये रोल होगा पब्लिक प्रोसिक्यूटर, और डिफेंस लॉयर से प्रोटेक्ट करेगा, उसे कम से कम अगर उसकी गलती है भी उसको पनिशमेंट कम मिले, उसके लिए वो अपने एविडेंसेस प्रूव करेगा. हाँ जी, क्या शिकारी? यस, आप कुछ कह रहे हैं? Present, judge hears all the witnesses and evidences presented by the prosecutor and the defense lawyer. After a close examination, of the whole case, whole, whole case, the court or judge decides whether the person accused is guilty or innocent. अगर इनोसेंट, वेट, यस इनोसेंट, पैसे नहीं मिलते ना। तो the judge conducts the trial impartially if the accused is convicted, if the judge conducts the trial impartially if the accused is convicted, then the judge pronounces the sentence. Convicted when the such violations are proved against of the accused. Convicted जो cases file किए गए थे violations की वो prove हो गई हैं. Then the judge it will announce the judgment or sentence. It may be a punishment. Announces sentence. Sentence means punishment. Punishment देगा. हाँ जी. That judgment, it may be a person can send behind the bars or either penalty. Accused has proved that is a guilty. Now the court it will send the person behind the bars and penalty or both. इसकी बात सुनो पहले. हाँ. उसके अगेंस्ट वो कंडेम्ड ऑफ कोर्ट का केस है ना. यहाँ मनमीत ने जो प्रूफ दिए वो प्रूफ नहीं कर पाया, उसके बाद प्रूफ ही नहीं थे, उसने फॉल्स केस फाइल किया था गुंतास के अगेंस्ट, उसके अगेंस्ट कंडेम्ड ऑफ कोर्ट. ठीक है ना. वेस्टेज ऑफ अ टाइम, वेरी गुड. कोर्ट का टाइम खराब करना, ये कंडेम्ड ऑफ कोर्ट है, इंसल्ट. ठीक है. फिर इसके अगेंस्ट केस फाइल होगा. ये नहीं है कि रिदम जब मर्जी उठ के जिसके मर्जी अगेंस्ट केस फाइल कर. ठीक है. सो नेक्स्ट कंटिन्यू. सो on the behalf of a sentence, judge it can give as the send the behind person behind the bars and penalty or both. ठीक है ना. अगर वो पर्सन उसके फैमिली मेंबर्स पेनल्टी जो फाइन है वो नहीं देते हैं, उसके एवज में पनिशमेंट और बढ़ जाती है. पनिशमेंट बढ़ जाती है. गुंतास बिकम्स एज ए गिल्टी. ठीक है ना. गुंतास को जेल के अंदर डाला जाएगा, प्लस उसके साथ क्या होगा, that particular person, judge ने अपनी sentence दे दिया है. Now the person it can appeal towards a next court. We already discussed in a previous chapter appellate jurisdiction of a Supreme Court, High Court and a Supreme Court, High Court and a Session Court. If you are not satisfied with the lower courts, you can appeal towards a next court, High Court. आप High Court से satisfied नहीं हो, आप Supreme Court में केस फाइल कर सकते हो दोबारा. Supreme फिर दोबारा कर सकते हो, कोई लिमिट नहीं है. 10 बार, 50 बार, 1000 बार कर सकते हो. ठीक है ना. एपिलेट जुरिस्डिक्शन, यू कैन अपील टुवर्ड्स नेक्स्ट कोर्ट. क्लियर. चाहे 1000 बार करते रहो. हाँ जी. वो तो उसकी पनिशमेंट है ना. ट्रायल, द पर्पस ऑफ अ ट्रायल इज टू फाइंड, द पर्पस ऑफ ट्रायल इज टू find out whether the accused is guilty or innocent. Fair trial ensures in Article 21 of Constitution. Sorry. The purpose of trial is to find out whether the accused is guilty or innocent. Guilty or innocent. Guilty or innocent. A fair trial ensures in Article 21 of Indian Constitution, right to life. Article 21 of Indian Constitution. This article, it ensures in Article 21 of Indian Constitution. Article 21 of Indian Constitution. Full stop. This article guarantees the right to life right to life and states that mention, it states that a person's life or liberty, it can be taken away only, person's liberty, it can taken away only on behalf of a certain circumstances, This article 21 guarantees, Kuntas, this article guarantees right to life, and states that a person's life or liberty, it can be taken away, on the behalf of certain circumstances. First, cut it the circumstances, on behalf of a certain procedure. First, the accused is given a copy of a charge sheet. The accused is given a copy of the charge sheet. जिसके अगेंस्ट केस फाइल हुआ है उसको चार्ज शीट की कॉपी दी जाती है, एटलीस्ट उसे पता तो उसने किया क्या है, क्लियर मैंने. So the accused is given a copy of charge sheet and all other evidences that the prosecution, presents against the accused. Manmeet presented there all the evidences and proofs against of the accused. Second, at the time of trial, following people have to present in a courtroom, all five. Clear? Accused, public prosecutor. All five, it should be as a present in a courtroom: judge, accused, victim, defense lawyer, public prosecutor. Haji. Next, the accused is defended by a lawyer who is given an opportunity to cross-examine all the prosecution witnesses. The accused is defended by defense lawyer, or lawyer or public prosecutor, nahi aayega. Defense lawyer who is given an opportunity to cross-examine all the prosecution's witnesses. Next one, all people involved in carrying out the trial, the police, public prosecutor, all people involved in carrying out the trial, the police, the public prosecutor, the defense lawyer, and the judge should carry out their role impartially in order to ensure that every citizen when accused should get a fair trial, irrespective of their caste, race, religion. When accused, should get fair trial, irrespective of his or her guntas, his or her caste, race, religion, and gender. Full stop. Full stop. Full stop. Full stop. Last topic. Question answers are not marked in this chapter, but you have to note it down the 3 questions. What are the last topic? What are the constitutional provisions? Constitutional provisions. What are the constitutional provisions given to arrested person? Provisions given to every arrested person. First, Article 22. Article 22. Article 22, which states that 22. So it states that every arrested person has the right to be informed, at the time of arrest. At the time of arrest means warrant. At the time of arrest, right to inform. At the time of arrest, it should present, it should present within 24 hours. Within 24 hours in front of magistrate, etc. Yes, Jayant.